Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our DT Watch X Smartwatch, one of the most beautiful smartwatches or smartwatch in the collection of DT number 1 and one of the contender when it comes to the design for smartwatches this second half of 2024. As you can see here, it has a very beautiful design. It looks premium, much better compared to other wearables in its category, in the price category, and of course when it comes to features. We are going to explore more on the watch faces that is available for our DT Watch X. As you can see here, it has support for always on display, and it's already preloaded with more than 10 watch faces if I'm not mistaken. We are going to download additional watch faces for the wearable, so if you are interested in checking out the available watch faces for our DT Watch X, watch this video. If you are not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, like and share, and drop a comment below if you want to ask some questions or if you have a feature request. Again, this is Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for our DT Watch X. Okay, so let's go to the settings of the smartwatch. So this smartwatch has a lot of supports for its display screen. For the display, as you can see here, we do have the clock style, idle clock. Okay, so this is the always on display, I think. Then we have the screen off, always on. You can also set it always on time, so there's a lot of options. So set wallpaper, this is the background. For the clock style, okay, so let's count how many watch faces is preloaded to the DT Watch X. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I'm not mistaken, it's more than 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think it's more than 20 watch faces. 21, 22, 23, 24. This is custom watch faces, I think. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So it is preloaded with a lot of watch faces. As you can see here, we do have a business, practical, number, mechanical, minimalist, cartoon, space, nature. Can we download a watch face directly here on the smartwatch? I'm not sure. So let's check. Yes, you can download additional watch faces directly here on the smartwatch. That is pretty cool. Okay, I'm impressed with this feature. I think we've seen this feature in DT Ultra, DT2 Ultra of DT number 1 also, if I'm not mistaken. My watch face, which you can see here, we do have a watch face section in the support app, and we also have it here in our smartwatch. Okay, stay tuned. New. Okay, I don't know if we do have some additional watch faces here. Seems like we do have a very slow connection. Anyways, let's try first to download additional watch faces directly here in the smartwatch. And we have it here. That's it. Nice. Okay, again, Let's explore more. We already have the watch face here. Display, lock style, more watch faces. Okay, so you have to go to the more watch face section. Let's check practical. Okay, let's pick a good looking watch face here. Explore more. Okay. Oh, let's have this one. Okay, tap on. Okay, so we have this watch face. Very easy to download, very fast to download. Again, let's do it again. Settings, display, clock style, more watch faces, minimalist, cartoon, space nature. They have the business. Let's go to the business section. Okay, download, and we have here our watch face. Can we change it? Long press. Okay, so you really have, okay, long press, and you can change the watch face here. So it is preloaded with a lot of watch faces, and we have several options here. You can download directly on the smartwatch without going to the support app. For the support app, we have several categories here. We have unique, business, practical, mechanical, and cartoon, as well as simple. We also have an option here for hot section as well as the customized section. So we'll check later on the hot section. Let's go first with the customized section. This is your DIY or your own custom watch face. So select. So let's load the photo here. So these are the design for the watch face. Change background, take photo, or select from album. We'll select from album. Just allow the permission. So we'll pick this one. Okay, then check. So we have here our design. Let's pick a different design. Okay, then the color, then save. Then it's now installing to our smartwatch. So let's wait. Watch theme is downloading. And we have here our custom watch face. So far, very easy to download, no issues. The downloading of the custom watch face is very fast. So let's check on the hot section for our additional watch faces. So here's the hot section for additional watch faces. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, it has loaded the additional watch faces for your wearable. We have at least 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 12 watch faces available for our smartwatch. Seems like there's no option here for dynamic watch faces. There's no content. What we have here is the new with different categories. And we have the hot section and the customized section. Anyways, we already have a good list of watch faces here in our smartwatch. Very easy to download, very fast, and we do have a very comprehensive list of watch faces. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, you don't need the support app to change the watch face. The smartwatch is already loaded with additional watch faces for your smartwatch, from digital, analog, I guess with this is animated, and other designs here. Okay, more watch faces. As you can see here, again, the categories are business, practical, number, mechanical, minimalist, cartoon, space, nature. Okay, it is a very good feature for the DT Watch X. You don't need to go to the support app just to download or change the watch face. We already have it here on our smartwatch. So that's it for the watch face section. Okay, video review of the DT Watch X. If you have additional questions regarding the wearable, especially on this video, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries we do have that time. Bye.